Kingwood Asylum, Day 2. Let's get it done. Hey people, this is Stuart Smith of STUARTIZM Designs. We're out here in the field getting things done at Kingwood Asylum. Did all the hard images yesterday. Now we gotta sit there and do the highlights and blend everything together and some hot floor action and oh-wah. So hey, enjoy the vid. Please subscribe, hit the notification button, and hey, thanks a lot for watching. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Hey people, thank you so much for watching. Yes, we are done here. It came out fantastic. Again, 350 square feet. So we conquered and destroyed. Walls were screaming at my presence, so it's all good. We are heading to Sloss in the morning. Sloss Freight Furnace in Birmingham, Alabama. And hey, please subscribe. Hit that notification button so you don't miss any videos, because after that, we just sit there and do a suicide drive home, and then I sit there and have to hop a flight for Manhattan, New York, and just sit there and work on Blood Manor. And we got a whole bunch of other projects coming down the pipeline. So hey, thank you so much for watching. Y'all take care. We'll see you in the next video.